All right, everybody. Welcome to No Serve right here, serving this a review of Modern. Now, you've probably seen this probably on social media like so many times. And so I want to give you a chance to see what's behind the scenes of it. So here's a short little review of exactly what Modern is. I do have links below that you can go ahead and get the prices that are there. The first one, obviously, a monthly one. And so it's $97 per month. And so, again, this is all the features that come along with it versus the one that you probably see on social media that's a one-time fee, which is still this is what I bought actually, where you have all these fees. Now they do compare it to other online platforms that allow you to have classes attached to it. I am going to give you some ideas outside of just having classes that can be more beneficial for you. So we'll talk about that as we go through this product review. So once you get there, this is the dashboard you'll be greeted with. If you do have a WordPress website or you want to get one, then again, this is what they have here for you. And again, when you click on it, you can get some more information. They do allow you to see all the conversations you had before. So again, once you have everybody their contact, then you have all these things that go out. Then again, you're allowed to see their conversations. Again, there are the different tabs you have as far as your contacts that's concerned. If you want to add somebody, you can add somebody. Here's some opportunities. Basically, these are just analytics, data, whichever word you want. Basically, just tell you exactly who paying you, how much you're getting paid. And again, we'll show you how to integrate stuff like that. There's the different payment options that are here. So again, once you get paid, I haven't done anything on it yet for a reason because I don't like showing everybody my business. Just joking. No, I really don't want to show everybody my business. Here's your orders, your subscriptions, transactions, your integrations. What can they integrate with? Of course, you can just do your bank if you want to, or you can do Stripe. I think the other one's PayPal. All right. Marketing wise, they have email templates. Of course, once you have your contact, you have email templates. And again, you have different links. We'll talk about those trigger links. Basically, those are just links that if a person click on it, just like if you clicked on any other link, you'll get certain information that come back to the person that is having the product. And so most of the time you get like email, like how you get my email? This is a link, a whole bunch of stuff pops up, and a person's able to kind of interact with you at that point. Automations, you'll see exactly what automation is, especially when you come down to some different ones. Sites, we'll talk about that once we go through all these tabs about the different features. These are the resources they have, which are pretty dang on amazing as far as the templates, the services. This right here, once you buy it, is going to be your best friend. It's called Help. If you're a newbie, right, then this Help tab is going to help you. I'm so serious. Like I had Help tabs before, they never helped. This Help tab helped me so much in it. And again, this is the upgrade. So if you do buy it and you decide to upgrade, they kind of give you a nice little, discount. Quick guide just to get you started. And then, of course, your settings, which is just your profile name, your business phone number, the domains that you attach to there if you want to add a domain, the media, again, all these other ones, labels. I mean, the list goes on. I would say this as before we keep going on is they give you a big bang. I mean, a bang, right? There's so much that comes along with modern for that price point. It's ridiculous. And I'm not going to be surprised if other people don't do it to other products as well because they understand how to develop the technology now. And so this is probably modern is probably opening a gateway for other people. I guarantee it. Who can see a product that's they're probably making, $300 a month off of and say, okay, we can make the same product for a consumer who is trying to do the same thing, but make it more affordable, which is pretty cool. All right. And of course, you can see all the other tabs. All right, let's go back and let's look at actually the product, right? So here are the sites. Of course, they have funnels. They already give you templates. Again, maybe you're not very crafty. So they already give you like, again, consulting smart book. So again, here is what it looks like. Again, here go your steps. You have a home, confirmation upon itself. So these are the different ones they have for you as far as a funnel is concerned. And then they give you stats, they give you sales, and of course they have the settings. Web pages is how it looks. I'll show you the back end of these things as well, so you can see how do you actually edit them. So here's a personal fitness one, and once I load this up, you're going to see the one which looks pretty damn good. Now, if if there's one on here that you're already considering, then just use the template. I'm just being honest, it's easy. Because if not, you have to design all these things. And I'll show you what that means. Again, here's some testimonies, get inside, get in shape, nutrition, really good stuff. All right. And let's go ahead and look at the back end so you can see how it works. So once either create your web page, or if I'm gonna use this one. This is what happens. So if it's brand spanking new, you don't have none of these pages, you have to add a page. I'll show you how to do that. But when you're ready to edit whatever the page is, I'm gonna add it on a new tab. This is how the back end looks. The back end, for all those who don't understand back end, this is what you have to do to actually customize it, right? And so right here, if I click any of these things, I can customize it. So if I want to change home, then obviously I'll come here to home and I'll change that to whatever I want to name it. Maybe I want to name it Go instead. Now just hit submit, and then I change it to submit. All right. Again, these are already presets, so they already come with stuff. And again, you just kind of change out the words on and make it what you want it to be. Okay. Again, these are just pictures. You're like, well, there's nothing here. So what happened is for this picture right here, this is actually a background. So if you look right here on image, you'll see where they got the image at. And again, if they want to change it to something else, then that person can do that. These are just elements. I'm gonna just show you what the different elements you can add. Headers, subheaders, of course, paragraphs, bullet points, buttons, forms, blog posts for all those videos, images, basically Q&As. You get custom ones as well. Maybe you're just, I don't know, you can add whatever you want to add to that. Surveys, calendars, I don't need to read it. You can read it. It's pretty much there. Maps. I mean, the list goes on. And I would say these are the features they have as far as the buttons are concerned. So again, if I want to add a video, here's my video. Maybe I want to attach it to a YouTube. Then I'll put the URL here. And then of course it'll pop up with whatever the URL is. And again, that's for YouTube, Vimeo, and there's some other ones as well. And they have some HTML5. I just didn't know that. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. And again, you autoplay. So once they go in here, that it automatically plays it for you. And again, this is just the back end of it. Once you get what you want to get to, of course, you can preview it, you can save it, you can see it in its different formats. So this is what it looks like on desktop. This is what it looks like on the actual mobile device. And again, if I don't like it on here, I can just edit it and then just keep it moving. All right, let's go back. Yeah, I can leave here. I don't want to say none of that stuff. All right, now say for instance, I want to do it like a blank one. Then again, you just add a page. You name it whatever you want to name it, right? You create it. Of course, you saw that funnel option. At that point, you can use a page from the templates, right? Or you can create a blank one. If you create a blank one, I would highly recommend, just for time purposes, that come up with a template you like and build off of that. And what do I mean by that? I just mean that once you get one, so if you look at the other ones like this one they already have a template for. And so basically every site's gonna have the logo and then the different ones. And that's how they're gonna build off of it. Think about yours and how you'll probably build off of it, especially if you're doing this play one. Because once you have it, again, these are different options you have. Let's go full. We're gonna go ahead and add a section. Maybe in this section, I want to go ahead and have my all my different tabs. Again, I'll go down here to navigation. I'll change all this stuff over here in my properties. This is just properties over here. If I don't want white, I can make whatever color I want to make it. I'll leave it white for right now. I can, at this point, if I want to change this again, home, I'll change home by just clicking the little edit button and I'll go on here. One of the things, and I don't know, they may be updated by now, is that when you have a button or something like that, you will have to like link it to the other pages. So, say for instance, and this might, I mean, it's not a big deal, it's just a part of the process. So, say for instance, I want to go to that new page, I'll have to go here, click here, and then of course click home. And then when I click home, I want to direct it to that page and then hit submit. So again, every time you add a page, you have to add the whatever the button is to that page. So again, as you are thinking about a web page, just make sure you keep that in mind. All right. The last thing I want to show you is probably what you're here for, and that is the membership, right? Again, they have forms for all those who need to create a form. They have it. Just add a form. And then once you add a form, they'll have the different things over here that you can actually do to customize it. They have surveys, of course. Chat widget probably is a big deal for somebody, especially when you have people that come to your web page. These things pop up and they just kind of get that ball moving. It kind of looks like you're doing something amazing. And so again, that's why I say modern comes with a big punch. But let's look at these products because again, especially if you're when you're thinking about maybe you have a church and you have a discipleship class, maybe you're a teacher and you have a course, maybe you're like a life coach. I don't know. Maybe you got to kind of think out the box. This is why I said I wanted to kind of talk to you about what could this do for you? Again, I remember when cryptocurrency came out, man, that was huge, and everybody was like, man, want to learn how to do it. So they was like paying people money to join these classes, and here's a platform that you can actually have, to do that. And so again, you have your memberships, you go to products. Of course, you have offers and stuff like that. But I just want to show you for time purposes. I'm gonna try to keep this underneath 14 minutes right quick so we can kind of get through the whole thing. Here, what it looks like once you have a course, right? And again, you can always customize this to whatever your heart desire is. And again, the list goes on. Here's the details of it. You can add your thumbnail to it. You can actually choose a template that you prefer. So let's apply this one, right? Or maybe you want this one instead. And let's go back. And then again, you can customize all this stuff. If you preview it, this is what your preview will look like. And so again, here's your courses, and then you kind of go through it. They do give you like a task bar already to let you know how you're completing whoever is taking it, what it looks like on their end. And again, this is modern. It's so much to unpack. It's crazy. One of the things I would say is don't get overwhelmed. If you have any questions, I would say, if I haven't said already, use this thing called Help. It is the game changer. Like every time I needed to add my domain to this to modern, you know, they sent me a link and it was in the help. Like everything I want to do is in the help. And the cool thing about it is once you click on whatever you wanted to click, they have videos. I feel like they knew who they were giving their product to because I have a video of everything I need. Create a sale page and with an order form. And so boom, this is everything I need. And the video is only like hold on real quick. How long is the video? Video's like 5 minutes, and I'm done with it. You know what I mean? And so, the last thing before we leave, and it's around my time, is when you purchase it, right? You will get an email confirmation, and on the email confirmation, you will also have I forgot the guy's name. He's incredible, but you'll have a person reach out to you from Modern to set an appointment to talk you through the product that you just bought and like all the different things with it. I'm pretty sure maybe other people have done it, but I haven't test them out. I only tested out Modern because it was affordable, which was a game changer for me. And so again, this is the product. Again, and again, these are the different ones you have. You have these different ones. And of course, you have that $37. And again, $37 for this product, like it just for me it was a no-brainer. It really was truly a no-brainer. Only because like I couldn't lose. The only problem I had was I didn't see a video of what was behind the scenes. And so that's the reason why I was so anxious to kind of bring this to you all so you can get to see it. And again, if you need help, you can always go hit that help desk and they'll help you out. Or you can just, email me. I don't mind sitting down with you. Like I said, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Thank you for allowing me to serve you. Later days.